We're about to leave luxury
Yes.
and embark on day 2.
Yeah, woke up this morning, just had not have any fortitude at all to want to go on. I'm still getting these fleeting moments of, I want to go home.
I'm not yet.
Anyway,
Yeah.
off to Yelling Up, 6 hours away, so see you on the track. We are back on the beach, Bunker Bay, not too far though, not like yesterday. I've been thinking about a nickname for Katie last night for the trail. She gets to choose one today. She can have either Rafi or Spidey. Which one would you? So Rafi or Spidey, what do you think? Spidey! Katie has a trail name.
That's new. We were here a couple of weeks ago and that tree wasn't down. Must have been lightning maybe?
Storm, lightning.
Storm? Yeah.
Yeah, absolutely. We just got over the uphill bit.
How long are we ascending for? Do you reckon 30, 40 minutes?
40 minutes ascending, I reckon, yeah. Bit knackered. Next stop's the lighthouse. Might take a 10-minute break there at the end of the hour.
Yeah, Dave's going to have a Coke.
I might have a Coke, just give me some energy. Oh, getting old, eh?
That was uphill for 40 minutes.
Yeah, that was a fair slog. Oh, looking forward to Yelling Up. So Bunker Bay, 10 out of 10. We did ask if we could leave some excess weight there and pick it up on the way back. But apparently they've got a policy where unless you're booked in to stay, they won't hang on to it for you. So whether that's written policy or invented on the spot, or I don't know. To me, policies need to be written. I didn't want to argue it though, because everything else was fantastic. Service. They didn't mind us putting sandals through the reception or using their restaurant in thongs and hiking gear. They're really, really good people. I highly recommend them. So I can't blame them about the box. We should have pre-organised it if we hadn't known, but that doesn't matter. We're just hoping that the next place, Privily, when we get to our supplies, will let us leave something there. So I don't know.
Suck it and see.
Suck it and see. So, I'm too lazy to even push the button off.
Yeah. Give it to me. We're at the lighthouse. I've stolen some of Dave's weight out of his pack because he stole some out of mine. So, and I feel fine and he's been struggling, so we're trying to even that out. Fun to find a nice balance.
Yeah.
So we got entry into the lighthouse.
Yeah, awesome. We bought some refreshments. I got a Coke, I need the sugar. Cool. So this is the official start of the Cape to Cape from this end. So yeah, we'll see how we get to the lighthouse on the other end. We'll just see it from afar. Officially on the Cape to Cape.
And we're tired already.
She said knackered before.
Do it again.
Officially on the Cape to Cape.
And we're tired already.
We're just going up to the siding station down here a little bit. And hopefully we'll be able to get to the other one on the other end to put a name in that. Yeah, so. Oh, we're really awesome at the lighthouse. That guy was awesome. Got in there. Anyone comes here, go check it out. It's awesome. It's not as big as I thought it'd be.
Yeah, it's like a little stumpy lighthouse.
A stumpy lighthouse. Katie asked him in the shop if they did salt and pepper shaker lighthouses. So yeah. Katie's taken a little bit of weight out of my pack, makes it a bit better.
Yeah, it makes it a bit harder.
So, as long as she's not struggling, it's all I care about. But I'm tough. Grr. Okay, signing station next. Momentous moment. Pulling down the hatch. Katie's going to sign us in.
What is the date?
Let's see. 15. Be on my phone if I stop recording. Is it the 16th? We'll copy them.
Right, Toby's in it.
Yeah. So we're just riding into our check into the track. I'm not filming it, what's on the book, because other people have information there, so I'm trying to be very nice. Filming. I'm getting the Spidey technique. Just coming into Sugarloaf now. I've been going nearly 2 hours. Oh, we caught Katie in a slip. You okay?
Oh,
You right?
yes, my ankle's okay.
Good.
Ouch.
You got to watch where you're walking. Hey, I nearly fell off that wooden jetty before. So many wildflowers out. I've got my weight back in my pack now.
Yes.
Just thought I'd mention.
I was going to mention it. Thank you for mentioning it.
You're welcome.
I had it for a good 15 minutes and then started whinging and Dave grabbed it back off me.
So yeah. So we're just going downhill. We'll cross over down here somewhere. We'll just take us around slowly so you can get an idea of Sugarloaf Rock.
Hey, a double-headed cowslip.
Double-headed cowslip. Katie's been spying so many orchids. It's been amazing.
It's a good week for orchid hunting.
Good week for orchids. Yes. So Katie's got a sore ankle. I've got a sore arch on the inside of my right foot. So we're doing well. Behind a blister. Yeah, I've got another one coming on. Check that at lunch.
Sugarloaf.
Yeah, Sugarloaf. Oh, amazing part of the world. Katie's come up with a nickname for me, I believe.
Fiddler,
Fiddler. Why Fiddler?
because he likes to fiddle with things. Everything. Straps, gaiters, camera, pack.
Thanks, Spidey. Just going to turn around so you guys can see this view here. Look at that. That is pretty sweet. Anyway, see you at lunchtime. Hourly break, 11 o'clock. At Sugarloaf is on the sign, Sugarloaf Rock. We're sitting on our arse pads. First time we've used them. They're like a little blue bit of foam that we cut out of an old mattress. Katie's just shifted to show hers. More people around. I thought they'd be on a Monday, but that's okay. That's where we're going next, up that track. So, on our way to Yallingup. Very exciting. So yeah, rest break. Just finished climbing another hill. I thought of panting on this trip. But anyway, later. Oh, nicely done. It's a little one.
What is it?
You
What
got.
you got?
That's right. First snake of the trail.
Wait.
I think I'm getting it there.
Slide back.
It's only a little one. First snake of the trip.
Yeah,
Katie went into snake mode perfectly. She did everything that we rehearsed. That was awesome. We can see yelling up from here, so destination's in sight, which is pretty awesome. Cool. We've come to a bit of an impasse. On the track up there's a really big tiger snake, like seriously big. So we're just waiting to hope it goes away.
Looks like it's heading off into the bush.
He actually looks like he's coming along the path.
Oh, he is.
Yeah, he's coming along the path towards us, so we might back off a little bit because this is rather exciting. We saw a chugite earlier, but when we walked up to him before, we didn't see him. Katie stopped and he started coming towards us, so we backed right off.
Yeah, he's a territorial bastard. So
Territorial, so we're not too sure what to do here. So we'll see. We'll wait and see. That's all we can do. He's going off either along the track or into the bush.
I think he's gone into the bush.
I think we'll wait a while,
Yeah, maybe.
5 minutes,
5-10 minutes.
and we'll sneak up, see if we can get past. Unless he's going to come around and come in at us from the bush.
Are they smart like that? Probably.
I don't know. Anyway, we'll see what happens. Let you know later. Oh my God. We just waited 5 minutes to go around. It would have been 8 foot, that tiger snake. And we just ran past like, whoa, shit! That was scary as. So we're going to walk a bit slower now.
It was
Three Bears.
scary. Here we are at the car park.
Three Bears just had lunch. Awesome sets coming through by the looks of it.
Ah, beautiful.
Yeah, about 3 hours to go to Yelling Up, I think. Then it's bureau time.
Just had lunch.
Just had lunch. We have to leave early tomorrow, I reckon.
Yeah.
We have to leave early, so we only have about 2 or 3 hours in the afternoon. We're not going to be working all day. But then again, we'll see what happens. The thing we didn't mention about that snake was when I was backing away watching it, I tripped over and fell in the bush. Katie had to help me up. That's the second time I've fallen over in the presence of a snake. Not this trip, but the first time I walked the Cape. So, yeah, there you go.
Yeah, the adrenaline made our packs light for the rest of the journey.
Yeah.
I think it's sort of a bit worn off now though.
Yeah. Okay. I feel a bit tired after that.
There's some pig face when you have dinner.
It did sussle little ones, a little bit,
Bits.
little tiny
We
ones.
had pig face for dinner last night.
Yeah, it was that other thing. Anyway, talk to you later. Feeling a bit happier. We got this nice wide road we're walking on. We just dodged a bit of the track along the beach so we don't have to go down and up again. Walked it before those packs, so. But the good thing about this nice wide track is we can see snakes. Hey Katie.
Yeah.
And so apparently this will wander back to the coast to single track again, but at the moment it's really boggy in the middle.
It's really funky.
It's really boggy. Probably not worse than the beach though. That's what I think. Lots of bird life around now. So yeah. Anyway, next stop we hope will be for a cup of coffee or tea with hot chocolate for Katie, I guess.
Yeah.
Will be Monkey Bay Resort. No, what's it called? Mount Ducksworth. Mount Ducksworth Resort, yeah. Oh, campground. We just had lunch, it was nice. finally got the courage up to start filming again rather than just watching where we're walking. Doing the quiet trudge, not talking, just pushing through to get to Mount Ducksworth. Rest break there, ready for the next step into Yelling Up. Hey Katie.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's quite warm this afternoon. I'm looking forward to the rain on Wednesday.
Yeah. Bit of overcast tomorrow, I'm hoping. See me, it's a nice track though. Nice and wide. So yeah, Mount Ducksworth. Come on, hurry up. Finally at Mount Ducksworth. No one's here, just us having a bit of a break until we do the last hour into Yells. So yeah, it got really hot on the track there, so having a bit of an extended break here. Get through it. Yeah, talking about what we can pair weight, get rid of when we get to Yelling Up, so see how we go with that. Yeah, okay. Talk to you again in Yells maybe. Okay, talking quietly, there's lots of people around. Cave's house, been a big trial today, feeling really, what's the word for it? Shattered. Shattered is the word. Not just bodily, but mentally gone. It's like it's messing with my whole, how to describe it? Anyway, it's affecting the mental illness, put it that way. The depression, the anxiety is being really smashed by today. So anyway, we're making decisions tonight about, do we have a 0 day tomorrow? Do we do a short walk, trying to find accommodation somewhere a bit closer than Moses Rock? At this stage, we're still pretty keen to do it, but it's just need to pull back a little bit, dump the heap of weight. So hopefully that'll all work out in the long run.